Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, cos s squared minus sin s squared, you will got about number 1. And we can simplify just like this. The integration of ds, you got about s, and we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we got about 1 minus 0. So you got about 1. Question number 2. Cos s squared plus sin s squared, we change for cos 2s. This is about identity. The integration of cos 2s, you got about 1 over 2 sin 2s. And we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 and number 0 going here. And this one we got, this one you got about 0, so we got this one. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.